Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of TechOver. Today in this video I just want to show you how to remove watermark from any video. If you just want to remove that, you're gonna install unwanted. You can find out the link just here on my video description below. Then go on remove video watermark, and you have to add a file just want to remove the watermark. For example, I just made a video. You can see when I just play it, you can see I add TikTok watermark on it. So why I just add TikTok watermark, I will explain all about that here on this video. But first of all, I'm just going to add in the video. You can see I added, and why I just add TikTok watermark, because AI removal detecting TikTok watermark. And the second manual removal just going to make something like blurry stuff, but we just want to remove the famous watermark. You have to type here the watermark. You can see it's just finding out TikTok or any other watermark just wants to remove. I'm sure they are famous, and this AI remover gonna find it and it's going to remove 100%. So we're gonna wait for it, and it's going to be removed. You can see the file has been exported successfully. I just open the file location and I'm going to play the video, and this is a self-made watermark video, and you can see it work on it, but it's going to work pretty well on other videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.